just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.